What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode, and in today's video we are going to be covering a few major cryptocurrencies including XRP's symmetrical triangle here. At this point we are about to confirm our bottom support, our third retest, which would give us the opportunity to see a potential break within the symmetrical triangle that's forming on the daily charts. You can see on XRP's chart here, if I zoom out really quickly though, you'll notice this kind of new sort of formation here, this sort of symmetrical triangle, to say the least, here is starting to play out. We're getting very close to the end here, and ideally the goal is that what we're waiting for is we can confirm either another retest of this, continue to fill in the gap here, or we reverse off, break through price ceiling, and we see a major break to the upside. Regardless of the direction we move to, we will be able to capitalize off this with a new buying opportunity, and it's going to happen real soon, whether that is breaking through top resistance and seeing a run to the upside, or we break through this floor and short to the downside here. Things look really good on XRP, trading at about 41 on the relative strength indicator. We are consolidating real nice, bullish crossover on the MACD as well. Everything looks really good, and we are set up for that potential break. Again, this is more of a moderate to aggressive trade because this is pretty small and we only have 2 points of confirmation here. The goal is we hopefully make this a third, 1, 2, and then hopefully this is number 3. Regardless, I'm pretty certain it is number 3, but if we reverse off here, things look really good. We'll also be covering some other major cryptocurrencies like Solana, which looks really good here in a major bull flag formation, filling in the gap. We are bottoming out right now, but I do believe this is going to continue our ascent to the upside here, clear as day. And then we have things like Ethereum forming major bull flags, same thing with Bitcoin. S&P continuing to rally up after we rebounded, broken through major resistance, currently consolidating on this price ceiling here, but ideally it almost looks like we're going to continue this uptrend here, which is just mind-blowing. It's unbelievable if you ask me here. But with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump right into today's episode. So guys, when it does come time to trade this XRP symmetrical triangle, I've decided to join or test out this new platform called Fairdesk here. I've reviewed them in the past a couple of months ago here, but Fairdesk offers, they're really big on their copy trading platform here. If I click on copy trading right here, you'll notice that they offer a way to actually earn profits by copying either A, other people's trades, or B, my trades here. So instead, just a way to lock in the trades that I make, showing it publicly here. Afterwards, you'll be able to see the trades that I make, kind of showing my P&L on copy trading. Again, it's going to take some time for me to get familiar and used to the Fairdesk website here, but you can see basically all the people that are doing this copy trading stuff here, and I'm going to just try it out on Fairdesk here. If you want to go follow me, it's linked down in the description below. You can sign up, but if you click on here, if I go to my copy trades, you'll see this is my profile, literally just Crypto TV. I have some money ready to trade around on here. I just am getting ready to find that perfect position. Now, again, I take things real slow because I like to win. I don't like to just get in and get out in these markets here and then lose money. So the goal is waiting for those conservative buy-ins to pretty much reduce the most amount of, risk that we can, so we can just lock in profits. So things might take longer than usual, but that's how we can, increase our certainty for profitable trades here. That's pretty much it. So I'm just getting familiar with the website. Just wanted to update you on that. Make sure to sign up to Fairdesk down in the description below. They're free to sign up, and they're going to be doing some bonus giveaways real soon, which is super cool. Anywho, diving in, you can see here, if we check out the video we made yesterday, it was pretty much referencing the fact that we are on this symmetrical triangle here on XRP. We're filling in this gap, and slowly and surely we are going to come to some sort of result here. Very soon, we are going to complete this, and we are going to have to make a decision, and that's the best part here within these symmetrical triangles, is we do end up needing to make some sort of decision here. Now, if I pull up the coin market cap, you can see we're at 52 on the fear and greed index. We are still consolidating. Volume is kind of dipping off, but because the halving is over here, I do suspect we are going to see some pretty hefty reversals and some pretty hefty swings in most of these major cryptocurrencies here, even though we are consolidating down. It is only temporary, and soon we'll actually be seeing some pretty major reversals, and I think volume will be entering these markets here. So just keep your eyes peeled. 52 on the fear and greed. I mean, we look primed and ready for volume to enter the markets here. Now, to start off on XRP's chart here, you can see we are still filling in this gap. If I jump to the weekly, we don't look too bad. We're still consolidating. The big problem is we're trying really hard to break through price ceiling here. This moving average, this green band, is just a problem zone. This is a major resistance that we are just having no luck breaking through, but sooner or later, we will actually pedal through it. We will actually break through it. You can see we've had problems with it in the past, but at some point we do actually manage to get through it. And I think the same exact thing is going to be happening now. There's no reason. There's nothing that shows signs of bearish market right now. Everything is actually bullish. There's a lot of bullish sentiment here. So it's really just waiting for that retest for us to finally break through it. And you can see when we jump into the daily, it almost unveils some sort of symmetrical triangle. It teeters off when you jump to the 4-hour charts here, but you can see the same kind of pattern is forming here. And if we jump back to the daily here, you'll notice with these wicks, we have formed a major symmetrical triangle. Clear bottom support, resistance, support, resistance, support. And as we fill this in, who knows if it's going to, take this long. At the most May 17th here, but at the earliest, it could be today, this week, tomorrow. And you can see here, typically these usually don't pile into here. We could easily come back up, retest, and then break through. And that's going to be that opportunity to buy in and long to the upside here, which we'll take advantage of on Fair Desk here. If we can break through this price ceiling, that's that buy-in opportunity to rally to the upside here. So keep your eyes peeled on this buy-in opportunity. Regardless, symmetrical triangles, it could be hit or miss. If we break through floor here, we just confirm a daily closure below here. As you can see, we've done it in the past. We've wicked consistently through here, but we never actually had a successful candle closure. We'll be able to buy in and short it to the downside, but hopefully it's to the upside because everybody wants these prices to move up. Same thing goes with Solana, another easy buying opportunity. Might even be as early as today. You can see here, major bull flag history is repeating itself here. You can see in the past we had a major bull flag filling in the gap, descending fractal. We confirm closure through it, and we do rally up. And you can see what happens. It doesn't just rally like this. There is consolidation. Look, this is consolidation. And you can see that same thing is what I would expect to see happen right now. Consolidation. So yes, I do expect to see us consolidate like we're doing, rebounding off support here. We should be able to reverse out and continue to scale higher. This is where I expect to see Solana move to in the long term here. This is into July, if not August, maybe even September. The latest August here is eventually we will come to retest and rebound off the all-time high that we hit in 2024, which is right around $200 for Solana here. Then moving forward for these other cryptocurrencies that look really good as well, we have major bull flags. I mean, colossal bull flags forming on all these major cryptocurrencies. Ethereum has a massive bull flag falling low. We did fall. You can see the lower high, lower low pattern here filling in the gap, but at some point or another, we're going to complete this, and ideally, we would expect to see a rally upwards here. That's what I would like to see happen. Major bull flag, lower high, lower low pattern. As we bottom off, at some point, we are going to confirm a bottom, and we will rally out of it. So it's simple. It's very simple math here. We need to confirm a closure above price ceiling. We close above yellow, we can buy in and long, probably even above this price ceiling here. We confirm closure above this, we can buy in and long. But again, when the time approaches, we will take advantage of this because there's a good chance we'll do something like this and then break through. But regardless, this is a massive bull flag that is showing huge signs of reversal. It is just it's going to take a long time. I mean, just right off the bat here, if we take a date range here, this has taken so far 62 days, over 2 months of consolidation, and it might even take even longer. So don't expect to see the breakout happen immediately here if it took over 2 months for this to even consolidate to the point that we're at now. And that same thing goes with Bitcoin too. I mean, if we just take the date range yet again, and we move this over here, this has taken 72 days of consolidation. Lower high, lower low movements, filling in this gap here at some point or another, we need to break out. We need to break through this price ceiling for us to long or through the support to short here. But more than likely, it's going to be the opposite, and we'll rally out of it, and we'll be able to capitalize off that run when the time comes. And that's probably going to spark the bull rally that we're all imminently waiting for here. Now, as for the S&P 500, this higher low pattern here. As we have fallen, we started to create what appeared to be a lower high, lower low pattern, a bearish market reversal, but we broke out of that so quick. We bottomed off support real nice, and now we're already starting to rally upwards here, which is crazy. And there's a good chance we might even pump higher because if you think about it, last time we were here, we were trading at about a 68 on the RSI. Now we're down to 58. So there's a little room to head up higher, but it's very close. So I do think a little more consolidation would be necessary, if not even helpful for the markets here. But with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.